I'm CEO of Condé Nast. We're a global media company. We have some of the most important titles and magazines and publications. We operate in over 30 countries around the world. It never is boring. I took my first physics class at USC and just loved it. Math is almost like a language you could use to describe the universe. The thing I learned at USC was you could have the hardest physics problem or math problem or whatever it is you have to solve, that if you just stay focused on it, eventually you can get to the solution. After I graduated, I don't think I had a whole career path planned out at that point. I think there is a through line, and it even goes back to physics, which is that I do really like solving hard problems. There's a number of companies that I've started. In each case, they were the first in whatever field they were in, broadband or IPTV or streaming television. And it always felt like a really big challenge and something to overcome. And I've always enjoyed that. Career paths today are very, very different than they used to be, even when I came out of USC. You have to always be looking at and being open to opportunities. I have a confidence I'm able to bring along that I will figure out how to solve it. And I really think that started with my studies at USC.